Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Elvis. I'm calling you from Zoom Studios.
Good morning.
Yeah, this is just to remind you that we've booked a photo shoot for you this morning.
This morning, aren't you just telling me now?
I'm so sorry about that, sir. I tried reaching you yesterday, but your number wasn't connecting.
It's okay. I'll be there, okay?
All right, thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Hello, Elvis. Good morning.
Hey, Vera. All my clothes are dirty and I don't know what to do. See, the problem is I have a photo shoot this morning and I don't know what to wear.
Elvis, I don't understand. Is it that you were not taking note of your clothes till you ran out of clean clothes?
Look, I know how this sounds, okay, but I really need your help. I don't know what to wear.
Okay, it's fine, Elvis. I've heard you. Okay, I'll come and assist you wash some of them. Or wash them rather. I don't know. I've heard you.
Thank you. You're one in a million. I hope you know that.
Ah. Yeah, hello, Elvis. What's up?
Hello, Vera. Look, I'm so sorry for bothering you again, but I just burnt my food and I don't have any other thing to eat in the fridge.
Elvis, are you serious? You know your case is a very hopeless one, right?
Can you please come make something for me? Or make something for me and bring it over?
Anyways, I've heard you, okay? I'm going to cook something for you. Just send me the address of the location of your shoot where you're going to. I will come there.
Perfect. Thank you very much. You know what, just listen to what I want, okay? So I'm thinking because I had something with a lot of protein yesterday, so I'll probably just do rice. Okay, so but then let's find a way to garnish it with some.
No, 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 no. See, Elvis, see, don't do that, okay? This is not the time for you to make a choice, okay? It's either you eat what I bring, or if you insist, then that's fine. But just know that it's going to take longer for me to get it to you.
Okay, fine. All right. I'll eat whatever you cook. Okay, so just bring it to me at the studio. You're one in a million. Honestly, I don't know what I'll do without you.
Whatever. You're welcome, okay? It's fine. But I hope you would admit that you're actually useless and very hopeless without me. Do you know, right?
Fine, I'm useless without you. You're happy now, eh? See you. See you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I've heard you, it's fine. I would see you later when I come to drop off the food.
You're a lifesaver, honestly. All right, bye.
Bye.
She'll probably just wash it when she comes.
You're welcome.
I overheard you in the bathroom with Elvis. So he wants you to add cooking to the washing you want to do for him, right?
See, Christy, no, it's not that, okay? So he called to tell me that he actually burnt his food and he needed me to assist him. So I told him I was already cooking, so I'll just give him from ours.
You're always there for him, right?
Well, yes. You know, he's nothing without me. He actually even says it at times.
Do you realize he's using you?
Christy, see, you're getting this whole thing wrong, okay? Trust me.
This guy is using you to solve all his problem. If you are his girlfriend, I would say fine. But he has a girlfriend and you are nothing to him. And you will remain nothing to him.
See, Christy, you're seeing this whole thing differently. You're seeing things the wrong way, okay? Trust me, I've known Elvis for a very long time. He's not the kind of guy you think he is. I'm just his friend and he just always wants me to be by his side and assist him as his friend. That's it. He's not using me.
My friend, I pray you realize he's using you soon and not realize when it's too late. Wake up, girl. You deserve better. Do not turn yourself into a footmat for anyone, not even Elvis. I don't know whether to put something in your eyes or head. I don't even...
What's up?
Okay, your food. I need to leave now. I have deliveries to make and my customers are waiting.
Okay, so we'll talk later then.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Take care.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh, sir. I'm fine, sir. I actually came to tell you that the customer is ready for you, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll be coming in, but let me just eat first somewhere there, okay?
You bought food?
No, actually, my maid brought it for me. She was not able to finish cooking, so she had to just bring it here for me to eat. You get? So I'll just let them know I'm coming now. Okay. All right.
Yeah, hello, ma. Yes, I'm on my way to yours, ma. In the next 1 hour, I'll be at yours. Yes, ma, in the next 1 hour, you're going to get your orders, please. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry for delay, ma. Okay, ma, thank you. Yes, I'm so sorry. Please, you will see me in the next 1 hour. Yes, thank you. sir.
Yeah, good day. How are you? Yeah, he told me that you'll be here in an hour's time. What is going on? I'm still waiting.
Yes, I'm very sure. In the next 30 minutes, I'll be at your place.
Okay, please hasten.
Yeah, thank you. I'm so sorry, please.
You're welcome.
Wow. See how neat your house looks. This shows that Vera visited today.
Yeah, I called and begged that she should come help me make egusi soup. I knew there's no way she would come into the house and see the place dirty and not do her usual thing. Yeah, and she did justice in the kitchen in case you want to have some with me, because I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, but I don't want egusi soup. I want pasta.
Oh, why didn't you say anything? You would have mentioned it now. Could have gotten it on our way here.
Baby, look, you know I don't like the pasta that this fast food restaurant prepare. You know I enjoyed Vera's pasta, so why don't you call her to come prepare pasta for me?
You want me to call
Please?
Vera?
Mm-hmm. You know she's your puppet, so use your charm.
Okay.
Hello, Elvis. What's up?
Hey, Vera. Look, Vera, I know you've already done a lot for me today, but I just want to beg you for just one last thing for today.
What is it again?
So
Elvis, see, I have things to do, okay?
you remember the last time you made pasta and Sharon had a taste of it? Well, she's been hooked since then, and she begged me to beg you to come make another one for her, please.
Okay, fine. Elvis, I've heard you. I would come and make it. But see, you have to pay for my cab. You know my car is bad.
Yeah, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Okay, you can just come, okay? I'll do that.
Okay, fine. Later.
All right. Okay, done.
Told you.
And you.
Thank you.
So I'll get you something to drink, okay?
You know if it's not red wine, I am not drinking.
You know I know what you like, right?
Oh, Christy, you're here. I went to your room and you weren't there. So, Christy, please, can you help me with something?
What is it?
Okay, so the thing is, I have some deliveries to do, yeah? And Elvis just called me. He wants me to do something for him. So please, could you do the deliveries for me since you're free? Please.
Sorry, I can't. And will not. Choose between your business and going to help Elvis.
I don't understand. Christy, what's that supposed to mean? It's me, you're not going to help me.
Since you have decided to be a slave to Elvis, don't drag me into it. Please. Spare me.
Christy.
I can smell something sweet.
Mm.
I'm sure Vera is here and she has made the pasta.
Mm. All right, you know, the aroma is making me hungry already.
She's so good.
Yeah. Yeah, Vera. You can come in.
Okay.
Vera, you're here.
Elvis, I came to tell you that the food is ready.
Oh.
Thank you so much. We'll be done soon, okay? You're one in a million.
Yeah, thank you. Huh?
What?
Come here.
This is delicious.
Very.
Is there no fresh juice? Baby, you know I don't like all these factory-made juices because of the preservatives. Can you please make me fresh juice?
Yeah, me too. Please help us with.
The thing is, the only fruit we have in the fridge is orange.
I will manage that, okay? Thank you. By the way, this is delicious.
Yeah, very nice.
Thanks.
What do you want it to be?
Hey, Vera.
Elvis, I'm actually leaving now. I have deliveries to make and I'm doing in the kitchen.
Thank you so much, Vera. You're a lifesaver. But look, I know you've done a lot for me today, but can you just help me with this last thing? We made a mess in my bedroom. Can you help me fix it?
Elvis, I'm sorry I can't, okay? I have deliveries to make. My customers have been calling me. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm really running late. I think your girlfriend can help you too. That's okay.
Sorry, Vera. You know that I'm not cut out for such.
Yeah, she really, she can do those stuff. You know, you've already seen how the house usually is dirty. Like, just please now, help me. Save my life. Look, I'll die if I have to do it myself. Help me.
Thank you. I know you do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Babe, did you... I left the condom on the bed.
Don't worry, she'll clear it.
What are you doing? You shouldn't. But I'm doing it for my Elvis, right? I'm doing it for Elvis, my Elvis. Yeah, hello, good afternoon, ma. Ma, please, I'm in front of your house to deliver your order.
Sorry, I've left already. I kept calling you, you kept telling me 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. I have other things to do.
Ma, please, I'm so sorry for the delay. The thing is, I was stuck in traffic, ma. Please, is there someone I can drop it off with so that when you come back, you pick it up from the person, please?
Oh, sorry, Vera. Actually, I don't need it anymore, all right? I already ordered from another vendor. So maybe next time, when we do business, you will take my order seriously. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hello.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, I'm almost at your location.
Oh. I'm sorry, dear. I was waiting after calling several times and he did not pick my call. I placed another order and it has been delivered. So maybe next time, okay? Yeah, have a great day.
Hello?
Some people are not serious.
God, what's going on now? Why are my clients rejecting all my orders? I know I was late, but they should be considerate at times. What if I was stuck in traffic or something? Well, I wasn't stuck in traffic, to be honest, but... driver, we can go now, please. Thank you.
Guy, come on, we need a comeback. I can't wait for this match. Serious, we seriously need a comeback.
For your mind, you guys are the comeback kings, eh?
Yeah, no. Vera, what's up, bro? You don't look happy. What's going on?
I don't know what's going on, Elvis. I don't know what's happening with my business. All of the stuff I went to deliver to my customers, they all refused to take it from me when I got to their locations.
Why are you selling food?
No, I'm not selling fake. I don't know what's going on. I got to their locations and they keep complaining that I got there late, and because of that, they didn't accept their orders anymore. I don't even know what to do.
Yeah,
I
what
know
happened
this-
to the matches again? The classical.
It's by 8 p.m.
Okay,
So that means we can watch it at the lounge, right?
most deaf, yes. It just hit me. I don't know how I... The lounge, definitely. Definitely, because I was just thinking, yeah?
Yeah.
Joker.
Guy, what's happening? I mean, you practically ignored Vera when she shared her challenge.
What do you want me to do? How was I supposed to solve a problem for her? Her business is not moving. How is that my fault?
I mean, the least you could have done was show a little concern. Sympathize with her. Okay, say some things to encourage her, not act like what she was saying made no sense.
Look, if she has a problem with her business, what she needs to do is trace it, trace the source of the problem, and not come and disturb me with it.
Guy, what you're doing is not good, though. It's not. See, Vera is a nice girl, and she deserves better. I mean, she's your friend, and you should treat her as such.
Yeah, I know. That's how exactly I've been treating her, as a friend. But what do you want? I should treat her, I should date her. Bro, I've told you countless times, she is not in my league. I am a model. And what is she? Remind me, please, what is she? Right?
Listen, I am just advising you as a friend. Okay, Vera is a nice girl, and she deserves some recognition and appreciation. Stop treating her like trash.
Noted. And do you know what I'm going to do? At the end of the year, I will organize an award for her. And hey, you must attend because you've disturbed me a lot.
Guy, I beg.
You must
I
attend.
cannot deal with you right now.
You must attend that award night.
I know
I
the
swear
for
to
this
God.
one.
You have to
be
come.
award. I'm trying to talk some sense into you. You're saying
Yes,
award.
now to give her recognition and blah blah blah. Now she no be.
Guy, you're not
Just
a good
prepare
person.
yourself.
You're
Go
not a
so
good person.
tuxedo.
Vera.
Yeah?
What's up now?
Hi, Greg. I'm okay.
Elvis said you were making dinner.
Well, yes, it's going to take a while because I need to do all of this first. But like 45 to 1 hour, I should be ready.
In that case, I'm going to wait back so I can eat. Because I don't want to start hearing stories tomorrow.
Wait, you enjoy my food too?
I don't like better thing. Of course I enjoy your cooking and you're really good at it. But there's one thing I don't like.
What is it, Greg?
I don't like how you always make yourself available for Elvis whenever he calls on you. I mean, I think you should make yourself scarce sometimes. That way, he will get to see the value in having you around.
Well, the thing is, Craig, you know we're all friends and I'm just always trying to be here for him as his friend. Friends help each other, right?
Yes, they do.
Exactly.
But not to their own detriment. Or the detriment of their business. I mean, think about it. Elvis is working and earning, but your business is suffering while you're here catering to his every whim. It's not like if you don't help him doing all these things, he's going to die. He's an adult and he'll be fine last. Eh? I mean, if you don't take care of yourself, who will? Good. And on that note, I am going to let you continue performing your culinary magic. I'll be supporting you from the sitting room. All right, now. And this, I don't know what to do with that.
No, it's fine. I'll clear it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Elvis, I need to go now, okay?
Why? Check out the time now. It's already late. Will you be able to get cab?
Yeah, sure. I'll manage you. I'm sure I'll see a cab.
I know. Even at that, I'm not sure I should let you go now. It's really late. At least, for your own good, don't go.
The thing is, Elvis, I have fruit salad to make tomorrow for my customers very early tomorrow morning. So I need to leave this night, okay? I will manage.
Hey, no. Vera, no. Look, don't go now. Yeah? Stay. All right? Look, we get to gist at least. So, Tom, give me your bag. I'll help you with it. Cool. So, let's go back up, okay?
Wait, is a lie? This is really, really funny. I can't believe it.
I'm telling you. That's the reason why Craig always comes here, just so that he can eat your food. That reminds me. Events that I'm going for in 2 days, right? Yeah, all the who is who and big shots of the fashion industry will be coming now. You need to see the clothes I ordered, right? When I go there, I'm going to finish them with fashion. Fashion go kill the boy.
Wow. So it means I need to get a very good boutique to get my dress from. Gosh, I can't wait. You know when we get there, they will all be like, they will all notice that we've arrived. I need to shop my dress from now.
Hey, wait, hold it first. Pause. Vera, wait. You dey whine me. Wait, you're going to wear? As in, I don't understand. The fashion events no be your mate too. It's not for you though.
Sorry, what? I don't understand.
Hey.
Like, Elvis, what do you mean? Are you trying to say that I can't follow you to an event or I'm not on your level? What do you mean by it's not my need?
Relax, okay? Don't misunderstand me. Because very soon now you soon get emotional and start to cry. You're misunderstanding what I was trying to say. Look, okay, listen. What I was trying to say is that the event is for models. You're not a model now. So what are you supposed to be doing there? Do you get? Stop now. You want to... Why are you doing this now? Eh? Hey Vera, yeah. So I'll be having a meeting later on with the client. Okay? I don't know, is it going to be possible for you to help me make something to eat, please? Preferably rice. She would like it, I'm sure.
Well, the thing is, I have a really tight schedule today, but I'll do my best for you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, so that reminds me, there's this goods I ordered and they delivered it to the park instead of bringing it here. If you could just help me as well, since you're already going out, just go there, pick it up, then bring it back. Like, just be like a circle. You from this point, you go back to the other one. Hello, Vera? Vera?
Well, I'll try and do it for you, don't worry.
You see why you are the best. You're the best. Oh, I appreciate you. I need you to know that, okay? I appreciate you very much. Too much. You're awesome. All right. So, I'll see you, okay? So, where are you going to?
Don't worry, you can go. I'll lock up when I'm done. I still have some things to finish up.
All right. You're the best.
Scary, so funny. Can you imagine? Baby girl, what's up? This one on your face is like yesterday's newspaper. What's going on?
Oh, babe, I don't know what's going on. Yeah. See all my orders now. All my clients, they refuse to pick up my orders today. They didn't take it now. My stocks are piling up. See now, I'm losing customers and I'm losing money. I just have so many of my stuff in my room. My customers are not picking up anymore.
And why is that?
You know, they keep complaining that I don't meet up with them on time. So as a result of that, they go for an alternative.
So why didn't you meet up on time? You are an online caterer and a fashion designer. People patronize you well. You have clients and you never fail. So what happened this period?
See, Chrissy, the thing is that Elvis wanted me to pick up something. Pick up. Chrissy?
Elvis, come on, nonsense.
Why did she walk out on me now? Oh, God. Oh, my God. Elvis. Before Elvis is back with his clients, I need to go to his place. Oh.
Hey. What's the meaning of this? You stink. Have you had your bath throughout today?
Elvis, I've been in the kitchen.
But you stay in the kitchen all day. My friend, go and clean yourself up and then you can come attend to us. God.
Don't worry about her.
Please.
Thank you. Nice place.
What's wrong with her? She doesn't look happy.
I know. She's always like that sometimes.
Who is she actually?
She's my maid.
A maid? A maid that is ignoring her boss? You're sure are kind though to tolerate this kind of behavior from your servant.
Yeah, I know. I'm like that, you know. I try to draw them close like family. But That's how they get to behave, you know, once you're too kind, this is what you get. But she's nice and she's indispensable.
Nice food though.
Yeah. That's one of her strong points.
But she's really angry.
Oh, don't worry, I said she's like that sometimes. Hey, Vera. Hey, you're here. Why do you look so angry? What's the problem?
Elvis, please, I'm here to ask you a question.
Okay, go on, what's it?
Elvis, why did you call me a maid in front of your guest yesterday?
Wait. Seriously? Vera, is that why you're angry? For real? I mean, you should know me by now, after all these years. Is that why you're angry over such a minor thing?
Elvis, you've not answered my question, okay? Why did you call me a maid in front of your guest? And you're asking me why I should be angry? Are you being serious?
Vera, it was a joke. I said it in front of my client so that they could see me as a classy person. Yeah, someone that is down to earth and humble with the way he relates with my domestic staff and just feel like I'm humble. That's it. He helps push these deals through. That's just it. How can you be angry about that?
Well, I don't believe anything you're saying, okay? I don't believe you.
Oh, Vera, really? I mean, you should know me by now. Aren't we friends? By now, you should know me. Really?
See, Elvis, what if I tell you I'm not convinced with everything you're saying? I am not.
Really?
Okay?
You're
Yes.
Not, okay, if you're not convinced, then why are you my friend? Why have you been my friend after all these years?
I need white shirt too in XL. I think that is this. It's pure white. Let's do this one. This was drive to work is something different, so yeah. Why is Elvis calling me like this? What's wrong with him? Shirts are blue. Something like this, and another shade, something lighter. Different shades of blue.
Alpha, now what's happening? Why'd you look upset?
I've been calling Vera since and she's not been taking my calls.
Maybe she's just busy. I mean, it's normal for her not to pick calls when she's busy, no?
Busy. Is that why she cannot take my calls and tell me she's busy?
Wait, Elvis, I don't understand. Are you trying to say that her life is supposed to revolve around you? Doesn't she have better things to do with her life?
Better things to do with her life. What could be more important than attending to me? Yes. I mean, what could be more important than taking my calls? What could be more important than catering for my worries? What?
And what are these worries again? And how is she supposed to help with them?
I ordered some clothes for the new photo shoot, right? And instead of them to deliver it here, they delivered it to my old apartment. So I've been calling her to see if she could help me go pick them up and bring them here. That's all. Nothing more.
That's all. Elvis, has it ever occurred to you that maybe Vera has better things to do with her life, or she needs to take care of her life and her business? Eh? Has it? Listen, I know you're doing all of these things because you know how she feels about you. But one day, she will revolt. She'll come to her senses and she will revolt. She's not a robot. You cannot be using her like a slave.
What are you even saying?
What I am saying is stop using this girl. Okay, one day she's going to revolt. When she comes to her senses, she will revolt. Look, I know you're doing all of this because you know how she feels about you.
Are you trying to be funny? Guy, nothing can ever happen between me and her. I mean, she's just there to be helpful to me. That's all.
As what? As your errand girl, Abby?
Guy, I'm a model.
Model core, model ni.
We are not on the same class.
I beg carry your class, go make noodles for me, make I chop, I beg, they're hungry.
Me make noodles for you?
I mean, you wait for Vera to come make that one too.
Are you a joker?
You're not even serious. I wonder how we are even friends.
Yeah. How are we even friends?
I can't deal with you, I beg, make I watch this. Wait, what are you even watching?
Why is this place like this?
Well, that's because Vera has not been here for the past 2 days.
Why? Just call her to come take care of this now.
Well, I've been calling her. I don't know. She's not been taking my calls. I don't know what's wrong with her. I don't even know what that girl is feeling like.
And what is she feeling like not taking your calls? Well, that is on you both. Well, as for me, I am hungry and I'm sure there is nothing in that fridge for me to eat.
Hey, you're hungry? So why didn't you say it on our way here? At least that way we would have stopped by a restaurant to get you something to eat there.
Can you just order something for us to eat?
Okay, and this place?
What do you take me for? Look, I am only here to have fun, okay? And if it's about the house chores, you know I'm not wired that way. So, if you're not willing to give me the fun I want, you can just tell me, let me be on my way. I'll be right back. How far? Have you ordered it?
I'm ordering the food.
Better.
Shit. God. Oh, this girl. You see now, Vera. See what you've caused. My favorite shirt. Eh? If you were here, would I burn the clothes? If you had come here to help me iron this clothes, will I burn it? Eh? What's the meaning of this? You should just go now.
Babe, see, these past 2 days, my business has been so productive. I swear, you won't believe how much I've made. Just credit a lot for my customers.
Stay there. I'll be running errands for Elvis, like the house help he called you. Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with you, or what goes on in that small head of yours.
Chrissy, are you being serious right now? Like, geez, can you just calm down at times? Let me just enjoy this moment, okay? Just calm down. I just pray it keeps happening like this because it's just all God. Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
I know. What? My God.
What is it?
Christy, see, I need to go to Elvis's place, okay? He needs me right now. Okay, I'll see you in a bit, please. Just take care of the house. Okay, later, bye. Elvis! Hi. Elvis.
Huh?
Elvis, what's going on?
I've been calling you for the past 2 days. Why didn't you take my calls? Because Because what? Because you think you're important now. Yeah? You're important. Now I've burnt my favorite clothes because I was calling you to come help me do something. You didn't come. Now I've burnt my favorite clothes. Are you happy? What are you here for? Oh, you came to see the clothes so you can mock me. That's why you came now, right? Because you feel very important now. And I won't be able to eat because you didn't come here to cook for me. Or that I'll wear dirty clothes because, of course, you didn't wash my clothes. Right? That's what you came here to do. To see how important you are. Right? Well, newsflash, lady. You are useless.
What?
Very useless to me. You're as useless as the trash in my kitchen. That's how useless you are. Total waste.
Elvis, why would you be saying such hurtful things to me? Am I really that useless to you?
Yes! You are really that useless. I mean, you should be grateful that a guy like me, a top model, has time for you, right? The dirty looking skunk, right? You should be grateful. But instead, no, what you've been doing is giving me attitude. I call you, you don't take my calls, right? Listen, I am Elvis Jones, and I do not settle for less. So if you do not pick up and retrace your steps, I'm going to throw you away like that trash I said you were.
But Elvis, I thought we were friends. Why are you saying these things to me?
Sorry, what? Friends? With who? Me? You're not even this close to the league, you're not. Oh, is that why you think you're important? No, you're not. So next time you decide to give me an attitude, you have to rethink this. Alright? Waste of my time. And please come in and tidy this place up when you're done.
Madam, I'm sorry, I didn't.
I don't understand. Madam, what? Eh? Is this how you drive around to hit people? I don't understand if you had killed you at the injury. What will you say? Sorry? Are you being serious?
I am so sorry. It wasn't intentional. I didn't know how it happened. Please.
Good.
Please, get to the car. Let me take you to the hospital.
To the hospital?
Yes.
So this is what you do, right? Or getting them injured and you take them to the hospital?
Madam, I said I am sorry. It wasn't intentional. Let me take you to the hospital.
And if I refuse to?
Fine. It's your choice. But just know that it wasn't entirely my fault. You wandered into the road and it happened.
I wandered into the road. That is what you have to say.
Madam, I am sorry.
Do you even have a license? Do you have a license to drive this car?
Madam, please.
Eh? What rubbish?
I'm sorry. Just get into the car. Let me take you to the hospital.
I wandered into the road.
Jesus. Please, just call. Let me take you, please.
What?
Please, just call. Let me take you to the hospital, please. I'm sorry.
Sorry, you had killed me.
Vera.
You heard what the doctor said, right? You're very much okay. I don't think you should panic.
Okay, thank you, nurse. But the thing is, I can still feel pains on my leg.
Let me get your drugs for you.
Thank you.
It's Vera here. Vera. Vera.
That's how people will just be driving anyhow on the road with the intention of trying to kill other people simply because we're walking. Don't understand. I wonder if they even have a driving license. Thank you.
Thank you, nurse. Look, madam, I am so sorry about what happened.
So sorry.
Please, it wasn't intentional.
So sorry. If something had happened to me.
I'm sorry. Please, let's go to the car so I can drop you off.
Why would you drop me off?
Madam, I won't feel comfortable knowing you're in pain and you have to find your way to your destination. Fine. I know that your tongue is very sharp. But for once, think about yourself, please. Let me drop you off. Please.
Who is it? This one, I want to break this down. Hello. What is this? Where are you going? Where do you think you are going?
Where's Vera?
Which one is where is Vera? She went to your house. Didn't you see her?
Yeah, she came to my house, but then after I quarreled her for not coming to my place for the past 2 days, she stormed off. Yeah, she left her car in my house.
You quarreled her? What right do you have? She is not your maid or your servant. She is your friend.
Look, I don't make friends with lowlifes, all right? I came to see Vera. Where is she?
Well, like I said, she is not here. And listen, Elvis, if anything happens to my friend, you will not find it funny.
Like, she's that important. Also because she cooks and cleans for me, that makes her, like, important or what? Is that what you think? Eh?
I never knew you were this useless, that you can't even wash your own clothes or take care of yourself. You can't even cook a simple meal to eat. Vera has to do everything for you. I'm sure if care is not taken, a lazy guy like you who thinks highly of himself will one day ask Vera to bathe him. Wait, what am I even saying? All those useless girls that do stick around you because of the little change you have can't cook for you, and yet you consider Vera the useless one?
She's an adult. And if she does not like the messages I send her to do, she can leave. She can easily just say no, but then she decides she wants to what? To crush on me, and she's the one that is obsessed. So how is that my fault?
That is your conviction, right? She might love you, but there is a limit to everything. You have insulted not just her friendship, but her love for you. And you will regret it, I promise you.
Just as useless as she is.
Think
Hey, Vera, are you okay? What did the guy do to you?
Babe, what happened? Where are you coming from?
Oh, see, babe, I don't even know where to start from right now. What happened? I had a very long day. That's very, very long. I just want to eat and rest like this, to be honest.
Anyway, Elvis was here, and I gave him the insult of his life. I gave him peace of my mind. And then one Mr. Dele, your customer, he said he has been trying to reach you and your
Oh my
wife
God,
is
Mr.
not
Dele.
picking.
Jesus Christ, Mr. Dele. My phone. My phone is not here. Oh my God, I think I forgot it in that man's car.
Which man's car?
What kind of day is this? Jesus Christ, I don't know my phone.
Babe, calm down now. What's going on? Calm down.
Oh, my day, my woman. Why was my day like this? Because what am I going to... It's a long story. Just help me call my number. Let me see if the man will pick up safe.
Which man now?
Just call him first now, please.
name is Brian. I am looking for...
Vera?
Yeah, Vera. Yeah, that's her name. She forgot her phone in my car. Yeah. So I brought it.
Babe, what is
What?
it?
What is it?
You did not tell me you met Mr. Handsome today to the extent that you forgot your phone in his car.
Christy, what are you talking about? Huh?
Stop the pretense. Stop pretending. Brian that just left here. That handsome guy.
Brian, so that's his name.
Wait. So you don't know his name? Such a handsome guy, you don't know his name. You met such a handsome guy and you did not even bother to ask of his name?
Oh, Christy, can you stop? See, all these things you're talking about now is not my concern. It's not what's bothering me, okay? The only thing I'm focused on right now is my business. See all the missed calls and messages I missed because I left my phone in that car telling me, see, please, I beg, just even leave me safe. What's doing you is not what's doing me right now. Brian, what's my business with him?
Vera.
Beg.
Vera, you're hiding something from me. And I will find out. But guys...
Wait. Are you saying she got angry and left her car here? That doesn't sound like Vera. I mean, she has taken words from you in the past.
But that's not even just it. So I went to her house to try to find out why she left. Do you know it was this handsome dude that dropped her off?
Wow, impressive. I'm happy for her, honestly. At least she's not following anyhow person now. He's a handsome guy.
But are you supporting her? Are you saying she should be cruising around town with the guy, moving around with men?
I don't know what the problem is, Elvis. I mean, you're not dating her. You said you don't like her and that she's not in your class. So why are you getting angry and jealous about her following, in your words, a handsome guy?
Guy, this is the first time I'm seeing a guy that is almost as fine, or maybe just a bit finer than me.
Wait, Elvis. So if they say make handsome guys come out now, you go come out. You. Guy, forget all this mumu modeling way they do under the waka like robots. I find past you. Forget that thing. Eh, now.
You don't mind me? Guys, this is a joke to you. You. Forget all the things you're saying. That guy is rich.
And how is that a problem exactly?
But you don't understand. Vera is raw material. If she manages to find a guy that she falls for, and the guy just reciprocates that love, she will leave me forever.
Elvis, let me be sure that I'm hearing you well, so don't be here, they pain me. You said you don't like this girl. So what exactly is the problem with her following another guy?
Because she's mine. Okay, she has to be with me and me alone. Guy, the girl is like calm, she's matured. Like she needs to be in a home. My home.
As what?
As friend, as anything. I don't care what name you give it. The guy, that girl is beginning to fuck up. I'll soon treat her for couple.
Elvis, I really hope you know what you're doing. Okay, Vera is a human being, not a robot. One day, she will come to her senses. Maybe you said your eye go clear. Put her in that place.
Oh, hi. Good morning.
Don't understand. What's good about the morning? What are you doing here?
Well, I came to check on you and to see how you're recovering. How are you?
You know, you men must really think that we're dumb, right? You came to my house yesterday claiming that it was because I forgot my phone in your car. And today you're here with the excuse that what, you're here to check up on me?
Hey, woman, take it easy. What is wrong with you? Are you allergic to someone being nice to you? Where's this coming from, please?
Wait, I don't understand. You think coming to my home to check up on me is a good enough excuse?
I don't need any excuse to come see you or to check on you. I don't. Hey, listen. If I want fine and beautiful women, I can get them in different sizes and shapes. So don't get carried away by your beauty. Don't. Or you think I'm one of those who come close to you because of this little penny you have? You think? Hey, listen. The money you make in a month, I can blow it in a club in one night. So don't get carried away by this penny you have here. See, now you're running your mouth like a tap without control. I can see you're fine now. So keep blabbing it like a typewriting machine and have a good day.
This is too big.
Hello, good afternoon, Elvis.
Hey Vera, what's up? How you doing? Can you please come to the house? I have a couple of stuff I want you to help me sort.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm busy.
What are you doing?
Because I'm packing orders for my customers.
Whoa, wait, what? Wait, so because you're sorting out some goods for your clients, you're not going to come help me do what I want you to do? How much are they even paying you?
See, Elvis, please, okay? Like I said, I'm sorting out orders for my customers, so I'm really, really busy. I know you have girlfriends, so you can easily just tell one of them to do the things you need me to do for you. But if you feel you can't, probably you're too proud to do that, then you can get yourself a maid. Please, I'm really busy right now, excuse me.
So what did she say? She coming?
You know that girl is beginning to grow wings because she's now hanging out with all those boys.
So what did she say?
Imagine her telling me to tell you to do whatever it is that I want her to do, or I could get a maid. Can you imagine that? She said that to me. Elvis, me.
Okay, you know what? Just go get dressed and let's get out to get food. I'll probably just head home from there.
Is that all you have to say?
What do you want me to say? You claimed that she can never say no to you. That she's your puppet because she's obsessed with you. You also said she can never leave your side, so deal with it, okay? This is clearly none of my business. Take me out to eat. That's the only thing I'm interested in.
Yes. I loved the way you spoke to him like that.
I had to, you know, after everything. This is someone that I've known for a very long time, since our childhood, and see how he said those hurtful things to me. He's someone I thought he was mine, but anyways, I'm happy he said those things to me, and I had to learn the hard way, so it's all good.
See, tell me, what really happened between you two?
So the thing is, you know that day I was very busy and all, so I didn't pick for a while.
You mean Brian did all that for you and you're still not nice to him? You still treat him the way you did yesterday?
See, Chrissy, do you know men and women? Do you know how they behave, right? See, trust me, it's better that it's the way it is. I don't trust this man. Come on. See Elvis that I've known since my childhood, and simply because he started making little money. See how he insulted me and said those things to me. Not to talk of someone that is richer than him, that is probably even born into wealth. You can imagine what he's going to do to me. Please, I don't even want to give room for any of that right now. I don't want anyone hurting me anymore. I just want to focus on my business.
Well, I just feel Brian is just trying to be nice for the accident that is not even his fault. See, Vera, Elvis treated you the way he did because you allowed him. You were too loyal to him and it turned to stupidity. And so he took advantage of your loyalty. Babe, Brian is just trying to be nice for all I see. I mean, he has not even asked you out, so what's the drama for?
Well, see, Christy, you and I know how these men, they behave. You know, they just start from somewhere and the next thing they ask you for something you can't do. So I don't even want it to get to that point.
Well, it's simple. If it's something you can give or not and it's genuine, why not?
See, Christy, I don't want, okay? I am really happy that I told him off. That's what I want. I don't want anything. I don't want anybody trying to hurt me. I don't even want it to get to that point, please. I just want to focus on my business right now. And let's not talk about this, though. Help me look for Excel now, please. Just help me.
What is it?
Christy?
What?
I don't know, I just got this very bulk order right now.
Are you serious?
Yes, and it's been a long time. The person wants shirts in XL, different colors, pants, trousers, corporate pant trousers in different colors too, and corporate shoes in different colors, size 43.
Are you serious? That is what we have been praying for.
I know.
Wait, see, let's just look for the ones that you don't have so we can
my
quickly
God.
run to the market and
Yes,
get...
yes.
What size? What size?
I don't know. For the shoe, 43. But
43.
I don't think I have those shoes right. No, you said corporate shoes. Come on. See, let's just pack up the initial orders and I'll go to the store to get new stocks.
Okay, fine, no problem. What size again?
XL.
XL.
Thank you.
You're welcome. May I see the...
What are you doing here?
You're asking me what am I doing in my house? What are you doing here? Wait. Are you the one I ordered those items from online? You?
You were the one that placed the order.
I did not. My secretary did. You know, if I had known it was you, I would have cancelled it right there. Yes!
Wow.
I didn't know.
Is that how much you hate me? So much that you don't want to patronize
Yes!
me?
Yes! Since kind gestures do not please you, maybe anger and hatred will work better.
How am I even sure that you did not decide to patronize me simply because you wanted me to come to your home?
Can you imagine? I can see how highly you place yourself. But you know what? I am going to cancel this right here. So pick your items and get out of my house.
I'm sorry.
I said, get out!
Just calm down now. It hasn't gotten to that. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Please forgive my silly attitude. I didn't mean to. It doesn't mean you should cancel your order now. Please, it's my business. Please now. Please don't cancel it.
Since you think the world revolves around you, you just wake up and talk to people anyhow you like.
I'm so sorry, please. I didn't mean it like that. Sorry.
It's fine. Let me see what you brought.
These are the shirts.
You can sit down, please. I like this one too. I like your collar. It's really nice. Okay, so. All right. I think everything's fine.
Thank you very much. We hope to hear from you again.
Sure.
Thank you.
7 p.m. Cold Stone Restaurant.
Sorry?
I'll be waiting for you if you're interested.
Okay, I'll think about it, please. Thank you.
Ijoma. Ijoma. Come back and get this one.
Honestly, if you ask me, I would say you should go for the dinner date. It's a harmless invitation. And the guy is a nice guy from what I have seen.
See, Christy, he's just going to think I'm desperate, okay? Come on. You know how me and this guy met, and all of a sudden he's asking me out on a dinner. You expect me to go? Come on now.
If he doesn't want you to come, he wouldn't have invited you.
Chrissy, I am not going for that dinner, okay? See, it's things like this that leads to the same finish that Elvis gave to me. See, I don't even want any more insults in my life, please. I've had enough from Elvis already.
But what if he sees you as a friend? I mean, you are the one just carrying things on your head.
Chrissy, where are you going to? I'm not going anywhere. See where I force. Chrissy, what are you doing?
This is the perfect dress for you.
Chrissy, go and drop my dress, please. Yeah. Chrissy, drop my dress. What's wrong with you?
This is just the perfect dress for you. Don't worry about your makeup. I'll do your makeup for you. Oh, yeah.
Chrissy, are you serious? Chrissy said I'm not going.
Trust me, I'll do your makeup for you. Why am I your sweetheart?
Chrissy, go and drop my dress back, okay? See, there's nothing you're going to do. I'm not going for that dinner, Chrissy. You won't force me.
You will go.
I'm not...
Where's
I
this
am
makeup
not
brush?
going. Is it your dress? Elvis, please, what are you doing here?
I came to talk.
Talk? Elvis, there's nothing for us to talk about.
Oh, there's something to talk about. About why you've not been taking my calls. Why you've refused to come to my place to see me. Oh, you don't even want me to see you. What is going on? You didn't even come to my place to take your car. You had to send Christy. What is it?
See, Elvis, like I said, there is nothing for us to talk about, okay? There's nothing. See, I have a date to go for and I'm running late already. Yes, I have a date with Brian, so if you will excuse me.
And who is Brian? Is it that guy I saw the other time?
Elvis, it is none of your business, okay? Please, I'm running late. I have a date. I'm so hurt. I don't know. Why am I so nervous? Is it because it's my... Just calm down. It's been a while.
And we are done.
Oh my God. Christy, thank you. This is possible because of you. Oh
I know, right? Just wait. You're the best friend ever.
Never. Oh my God.
You look so beautiful.
This is nice, right?
Yeah, of course. Goes with your necklace.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God, Christy.
You look beautiful.
Stop.
Their father.
This is all this is because of you. You know, I really don't know how to do this much makeup. Come here.
That's why I'm here for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
We need to go.
Oh my gosh, he said he's there already, that he's waiting. Yeah. Christy.
Hot.
I'm so nervous though.
Beautiful. No,
I'm so nervous. Okay.
Just breathe in. And just adjust here. Are you good?
Yes, I guess so. You look good, right?
You look beautiful already. Wait. Yes.
This dress is so lovely. Like it's...
Of course, I know you will. Let me choose that.
Christy! My girl! Okay, let's go, let's go.
Hi. Kinda bestie ever. Turn around. Yes, baby. You look like a
Let's go. Stop walking, please. Waiting. Elvis, what are you still doing here?
I was waiting for you.
Waiting for me. I told you I had a date and I was running late. Okay? I need to leave now. So excuse me. Keep waiting.
What are you still waiting for? Go. Go now. It shocked you.
Like a moth drawn to the flame. I couldn't resist when he called my name. Falling in love with a criminal. The danger felt so ethereal. Though our love was forbidden, I wish I could still be in love. My heart is unforgiving.
Oh.
I wish I could still be in love.
You look so beautiful. And amazing.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you for coming out.
And thank you for inviting me.
Oh, my bad. Please, sit.
Thank you.
Thank you once again for coming.
You're welcome.
Let me help you with this.
Entangled and so strong, you showed a side that no one else can see. And somehow I yearn to set him free. Falling in love with a criminal.
Yeah, that's fine, thank you.
Danger felt so ethereal. Though our love was forbidden, I wish I could still be in love.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I was
It's
carried away
fine.
by your beauty.
Unforgiven, my heart's so unforgiven. Yeah. I wish I could still be in love, but my heart is unforgiving.
Yes, good afternoon. This is Mary. Have it.
With a criminal.
Something. Getting something with seafood.
Okay.
I think I'll go with this.
You cool with that?
Yes, please.
Something, please. So,
Guy, can you imagine that Vera left with a stranger for a date right in front of me? Like, that girl has become very arrogant and pompous. She has no regard for me anymore. I'm sure she's doing all these things just to spite me.
Which one is she went out with a stranger? Who is this stranger?
That new guy now, Brian or whatever she calls him. Oh. Yeah, I went to her house to see her for us to talk. And next thing she said she doesn't have time, that she wants to go out. I thought it was a joke. I was like, how would you, I was like, you wouldn't dare kind of thing, you know. Oh, lo and behold, this girl left me there and went out with the guy.
Elvis, the fact that you even know who this guy is, and you even know his name, it means he's not a stranger. Why exactly is this date bothering you? How does it concern you?
Why are you sounding like this now? We both know that guy will not be able to take care of her. Do you know his intentions for her? No. Okay, what if he takes her out now, gets her drunk, then trying to take advantage of her by taking her to his house and all? I mean, if something happens to her, will you be happy? Okay, I'm only concerned because she didn't drive with her own car now.
Elvis, you still haven't said why this thing is bothering you. You haven't. I mean, the way you're talking now, you're sounding as if you're in love with this girl, but you don't want to admit it.
What are you?
Elvis?
Guys, is that possible? How can I fall in love with someone that's not in my class? Look at me now. Guys, she's just my friend and I'm trying to look out for her, just simple.
Mr. Friend, Mr. Class. See, guy, just allow me focus on this match that I'm watching now. When time comes, you go talk through.
This is nice.
Yeah,
Really
it
nice,
is.
yeah? Vera?
Yeah?
I've been meaning to ask you this. Why are you always bitter and angry? Or should I say aggressive? Is it because of your past experience with guys?
Well, to be honest, it's not like I'm an angry person or a bitter person. It's just that I think it's just my way of trying to protect myself
From guys who try to take advantage of you? And do you see me as one of such?
Brian, come on. They don't write these things on people's faces. And we all hear stories of what people have been doing to each other. So it's just wise for me to just try and protect myself. I really just don't want to get hurt.
You know, whoever meets you for the first time will think that is how you are. Don't get to see this beautiful, this hustling, this amazing girl sitting in front of me. You know, you're really a nice person.
A nice person, huh? Sorry, who told you I'm a nice person? Please, don't overhype me right now.
I know you're nice. I know you're nice.
If you say so.
Well, the truth is,
I'm so sorry about that. No, it's nothing.
is it the guy I saw at your place the other day?
Let's not worry about it, okay? It's fine. Nothing.
Was he your boyfriend?
Boyfriend? No. No, he's not my boyfriend. How can he be my boyfriend? You know, he calls me a maid in front of his clients and friends.
Maid?
He just really looks down on me simply because I try to always be there for him as his friend, you know. I try to always make sure that I cook for him. You know what? Please, can we talk about something else? I don't want to ruin this for us, please.
Oh yeah, sure, it's fine. As long as you're comfortable.
Thank you.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you for taking me on the dinner date. I really had fun. And thank you also for bringing me back home.
I'm glad you had fun. But I also want to say thank you for accepting to step out with me. I really enjoyed myself with you.
You're welcome.
It was an amazing time with you. Thank you.
Elvis, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
So this is the guy you're replacing me with?
What do you mean by replacing you with, Elvis? We're not together. We're not even dating. Wait. Elvis. Are you suddenly trying to be with the same woman you called a maid?
Are you serious? Are you really taking that word seriously?
Why would I take it seriously?
Because I was joking. Are you really going to take that serious?
Of course I would take it serious.
Why would you keep that to heart? I was joking, for God's sake. I was joking.
But bro, you know that was the wrong thing for you to do. Yeah. There are things you don't joke with when it comes to talking to a woman.
Yes.
Especially a beautiful one. You don't talk her down in front of everyone to feel cool.
Yes.
You might forget, but women don't forget.
Hey, guy, I beg, keep quiet.
Elvis.
We invited you into this talk.
What's up? Take it easy.
Are you mad? Are you being serious?
Hold it there. Don't talk to me anyhow. I won't take it from
Look,
you.
one more word from me and I'm going to lose my temper right now.
Elvis.
You stupid. Are you serious? You talk to me. You
Don't you dare talk to me like that. You sick?
Oh, you want to show yourself now because you're weak. Get out from there now. I want this guy now.
What is wrong with you? You're mad.
God, what's going on? You know what? Brian, just leave.
Vera.
Brian, just leave! Please, just leave. Oh my God. What just... Christy, why are you smiling? I don't understand. Why do you look like you're happy about everything that just happened?
Why wouldn't I be happy? What? I mean, someone stronger than Elvis just taught him a good lesson today.
Oh my God, Brian just hit him, okay? You're supposed to pity him.
Huh? Pity? For who? He used to think highly of himself, like he's the most handsome guy on earth. At least he will no longer treat you like a slave or a rag.
See, Christy, I totally get where you're coming from, but come on. Brian just hit him so hard. Like, I just pity him. I didn't even know how to react to all of this. Why would he do such a thing? But the part I didn't get was, why did he say that I replaced him with Brian? Does he actually think that I'm doing the same things I was doing for him for Brian?
Babe.
Is that how lowly he thinks of me?
Babe, I don't get it. He is scared that if you start dating Brian, you will no longer have time for him again. I beg, forget that loser. He's such a loser. I beg, just forget him. I'm even happy.
Christy.
Please, how was your date? Eh?
I don't know, this whole fight just ruined the whole thing.
Forget
I'm not happy
it now.
anymore.
You didn't bring takeaway.
Gosh.
Who does that guy think he is? Eh? That he'll just be able to snatch Vera from you just like that?
Elvis, I don't understand you. What do you mean snatch Vera away from you? Wait, I thought you said you didn't like her. That she's not in your class. I mean, just the other day you called her a maid in front of your clients just to bring her down and elevate yourself. I don't understand this sudden jealousy to the point of fighting another guy. Elvis, what are you not saying?
Meaning?
You love this girl, don't you?
What?
You love her. Accept it. I know you love her, but your pride will not let you accept it. You don't want to admit it. Elvis, this girl was right in front of you all this while. But what did you do? What? You toyed with her feelings. You just used her anyhow. Well, I'm sorry, bro. Another man who recognizes the jewel that she is has snatched her away. And I'm sure that he's going to treat her like the princess she is.
Never. I will never let that happen. She loves me, she wants me, and I love her too.
Eh? You say? See, I told you that one day, the truth will come out. You see?
Look, fine. I love her. Okay? I do. I love her.
You know what, Elvis? On a second thought, I don't think what you feel for Vera is love. Yes. I think it's control. And now that you don't have control over her anymore, it's hurting you.
That's not true.
It's not. So why haven't you told her before now?
I've not told her because I don't want to tell her. You know how girls are now. The moment you tell them that you love them, they start to behave anyhow and act funny. That's the reason why I've not told her. And now that idiot thinks he's going to snatch her away from me because of that.
Guy, I still stand on what I said. You don't love this girl. Okay, you just want her around to cater to your every whim and massage your ego. You don't love her. But see, guy, this girl is a human being, not a toy. They go fights. Now your eye clear. I love Vera. Guy, I beg.
Hi, hello. Good evening.
Hello, Brian. What's up?
I just want to say I am sorry for what happened earlier. That is not my kind of person. Yeah. That dude provoked me to do what I did and I wasn't comfortable. I don't like seeing a man treat a woman so bad. So that got to me and I reacted that way. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me.
See, Brian, I totally understand where you're coming from, but don't you think you went too far? You went physical on him, okay?
Yeah, I know. That is why I'm calling now to apologize. But if you want, I can call him to apologize to him too.
No. See, you don't have to do that, okay? That's fine. Let's just let it slide, okay? I've heard you, I've accepted your apology, but please don't call Elvis, okay?
Are you comfortable with that?
It's fine. You know, I somehow feel like he deserved what he got, but it was a bit extreme. But either way, please, can we just stop talking about this? I'm tired of having to discuss this over and over again, please.
Oh yeah, something different. Like the dinner, right?
Yeah, I actually do.
Because I enjoyed myself. Hey, thank you for coming out.
Are you serious?
Hold on a second. Where are you? Are you in your... If you're not in your room, please, I want you to go to your room so I can sing you to sleep. What? Why are you laughing? Is that you trying to say that I don't have a good voice or what? Come on, don't be like this. If I sing now, come on, angels will just come down.
Hey, Elvis, you're here.
Yes, Vera. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Well, I'm fine. So, what did you cook? Or better still, what can you cook? I'm hungry and I've missed your cooking.
Are you serious? Well, you're lucky then, because I'm actually making coconut rice.
Why not fried rice? I mean, you know I don't like coconut rice.
Oh, that's true. But the thing is, Brian said he wanted to have coconut rice, so that's why I'm making it for him. And he's coming here expecting to eat that. So yes, and you know I never go back on my promise.
So, what about me? And your promise to always be there for me and always help me.
Elvis, I didn't make any promise to you, okay? But contrary to that, if I did, all you've ever done was throw it back on my face. Yes. You know, every single thing I did for you was because I saw you as my friend and yeah, I like you, so yes. But I don't know, you made me cook for you, clean for you, clear your bedroom, even after having sex with your girlfriend. Elvis, you call me a maid and you treat me like one in front of your girlfriends and clients and... Elvis, please, I don't want to say anything that I don't want to say, okay? So it's either you eat what I'm preparing or you can leave. Yeah, I'm sorry. Please excuse me.
Vera, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm
Vera.
coming.
Hey, there you are.
Hey.
How are you?
Fine. Are you?
I'm good. I got you this.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
You can sit down. Let me dish your food.
I'll just sit over. This is really nice. I mean, it's the first time I'm having a well-made coconut rice. It's really, really nice. I like it.
Well, I guess you're just flattering me. But either ways, I'm going to take it as a compliment.
I'm not flattering
Thank
you.
you.
It's the truth. I'm not.
Okay. Thank you for the compliment. I guess I learned really, really well from my mom.
Vera? Is that pride or you in your voice?
No, come on. Pride? Not at all. It's just that, you know, when a good cook makes a delicious meal, we always know. So I'm just trying to give credit to my mom, whom I learned from. That's all.
Well, that's right. I agree with you. Vera?
Yeah?
I am open for a relationship if you're interested. Hey, look, I don't want you to start feeling like I'm pressuring you or forcing myself on you, okay? It's entirely your choice. If you say no to me, I'll accept it and still be a very good friend. But if you say yes, it'll be my best news this year.
Well, Brian, that was too direct. I wasn't expecting it.
Well, I am a man of few words. It's the point of beating about the bush. When I want something, I go for it. Besides, we're both adults. There's no point playing around.
Well, Brian, I don't want you to take this the wrong way, okay? It's not like I'm not interested. It's just that I need some time to think about it. I need to be sure so I don't make mistakes again. Please, I hope you don't mind.
It's fine. I totally understand. If you need all the time in the world, I'll give it to you. But I just hope your answer favors me.
Thanks for your understanding, Brian. Thank you.
Welcome.
You can continue.
Oh yeah, my amazing coconut rice.
Can you imagine how rude Vera was to me because of that idiot she's been moving around town with? Can you imagine the trash she said to me? That she didn't promise me anything. That she promised the idiot something.
Okay, so what promise did she make to him?
To make coconut rice for her, and she's doing it. That she didn't promise me anything. She won't see me and she won't allow me see her. She does not have time for me, she has time for others, none for me.
Elvis, what is so special about this Vera girl that you're so worried?
It's time you get over this and just move on. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there that can actually do everything she does for you. Why make a fuss about a nobody?
You'll be a fool if by now you've not seen it, that she's not just a nobody.
How dare you call me a fool? Who is she in the first place? A dirty servant girl that cleans up after us? Cooks and serves us like a servant?
Hey, enough. All right, enough. Don't you ever refer to her as that again. She's more
She
than
is
that.
what? Elvis, you have feelings for this girl.
You don't understand.
You think I haven't noticed how agitated you get since you started having issues with this girl? How you rush to her house every slightest opportunity you get? What is going on with you? Do you by chance have feelings for this girl?
What do you want me to say?
Elvis, be a man. Man up and do not be a sissy.
Hey, don't insult me.
Say the truth. Elvis, man up. Say the truth for once in your life.
Okay, all right, yes. I love her. Are you good? I've always loved her. Okay, but I've not just been able to get myself to accept it. Fine, I said it. You happy? Leave me alone.
What nonsense. You open your mouth and say you love another lady in front of me?
What is it? You asked me a question and I gave you the answer. Why are you getting angry? Or should I just have kept my mouth shut and not say it? What did you want?
Okay, so why are you here?
Why not go to her? Because I cannot be with a man who does not know what he wants. A man who will leave a diva like me and go for a servant, a mermaid.
So I guess you're breaking up with me.
Do I need a pen or a paper to write it down for you to understand what I just said? This is over. We are done.
In that case, I feel like there's something you need to know. Something I feel like I should tell you desperately. You are useless, Sharon. Very useless. Absolutely. You're a liability. You don't give anything. All you do is take. And any guy that gets married to you will waste his marital vows. You can't cook, you can't clean, you can't go to the shop, you can't get groceries, you can't do chores. You are a total waste of a human being. You are a total waste. Big one. Absolute one.
Elvis, I do not blame you. You now realize that you've been using me, right? You will regret this. I promise you.
Useless. Waste.
What? I don't know, Chrissy. I'm thinking of giving Brian a chance. I think he's a nice guy. He's a good guy. Really fun to be with. And I don't know. What do you think? Should I give it a try?
I think it's a good idea. I agree with you. But Elvis, you need to handle him. What do you think is the best thing to do at this point? Because you have to stay out of trouble by all means.
Well, I think I'll probably just try and, talk things out with him, find out what's in his head, and probably from there I'll decide on what to do afterwards. I don't know.
Why do I feel like you still have feelings for this guy? See, Vera, if you do, you better kill it. That guy is bad news. He will never treat you right.
Chrissy, give me a minute, okay? I'll be back.
Where is this one going? I don't understand. Vera, where are you going?
You should be celebrating now that Sharon is out of your life. Oh. Omo, you're free. Free from her constant disturbance and constant hunger. Omo, you know what God don't do for you.
Yeah, guy, now that she's out, I'll now focus my energy to trying to win Vera back. Now that Sharon is gone, I have to just concentrate on getting Vera back. I love her so much. I never knew I had this kind of feelings for her.
What exactly do you mean by that?
What I mean is that I don't know why it took me so long to tell her that the way I feel about her, but I really do. I care the world about her.
Elvis, if you're really sure that this is how you feel about Vera, I think you should tell her before it's too late.
Yeah, I will. My only obstacle right now is that idiot, that guy that wants to take her from me. But she belongs to me and I won't let that happen.
She belongs to you. Elvis, can you hear yourself? Look, I'm asking you to go after Vera because I think she will make you a better person. But she does not belong to you. And honestly, if she were my sister, I would ask her to run far away from you. Because I'm still not sure about this sudden love you have for her. It feels like Bruce ego at work.
Well, you're my friend, so I could as well just tell you the truth, right? So, look, I think I'm actually more attracted to Vera because of how helpful she can be. You get like, I mean, she's quite a nice person. She's family oriented, you know. She can actually help in raising a family, raising children, you know, teach them the right way to go, and she can keep the home. But you see, love, that's reserved for the likes of Sharon. What I feel for her is quite different. It's quite strong. You get?
What? Wait. So, it's not love for Vera?
Well, look, like I said, it's because of how helpful she is. But you see, Sharon, bro, Sharon and the likes of her, like, man, is love. But what I feel for Vera is more of a necessity than love. Like, I had to break up with Sharon so that Vera can come in. But when she comes in, I will put her in a place as a helpful wife. Right? Then I will go for Sharon and the likes of her. You know, I have a feeling like I'm very sure that they would represent me better in the public space. And hey, they will be better, you know, in the other room. Hey. Shit. Hey, Vera, you here? Look, look, I don't know what you heard, but like, everything I said right now was just a joke. Okay, I didn't mean any of it. Like, I love you.
Elvis, you must think I'm a fool, right? I'm actually a fool to think that I can come here and have a decent conversation with you to make things right between us, Elvis. I'm a fool to think that you can see me differently. I can't believe you said everything you said about me, Elvis. You're a demon in human form, and guess what? I do not want to be with a demon. I do not want to be with you, Elvis. Every single thing you've said about me, you're going to repeat. You will, Elvis. You will.
She couldn't stop me when she came in.
What did you expect me to do?
Brian, see, honestly speaking, I'm really scared of relationships right now. Getting hurt again. See, please don't get me wrong, okay? I don't want to get hurt, okay? I don't want to get hurt anymore, and I'll be lying to you if I say that I've gotten over Elvis. See, I would understand if you decide to leave, but if you're willing to stay and go through this phase with me, I wouldn't mind. But please, I need you to bear in mind that I do not love you yet. Yes, I'm sorry, but I don't.
Well, it's fine. I totally understand.
Thank you.
You know, I wouldn't have believed you if you had said you loved me. I wouldn't have. But I must say thank you for being so truthful about your feelings. Thank you for being open. I really appreciate. But I want you to know something, that I will always be there for you. Okay? And we will walk through this together.
Sorry, please. I didn't think I was going to.
It's fine. It's fine. I understand. I understand, okay? Hey, I want you to know something. That I will always be here for you, okay? Whenever you need someone to talk to, someone to spend time with, I will always be.
What's it expect me to do?
I was just prison. Even thinking about it right now, I'm like,
What's slow? Don't finish this food.
Why is your spoon getting too
My
filled
spoon
up?
is the normal way. Take your question. Can I take this?
What are you doing?
Slow down now. Why are you rushing this food like this?
Because see your spoon is too full.
It's not the same size as what I said. We're going to finish this food. Hey, hey!
Why did you do that now? I was like, I'm going to eat this. No.
Wait, no.
You tricked away.
Mm-mm.
You tricked away.
No, wait. No. That's your egg.
No, my...
Yes.
You're going to...
You're supposed to wait for...
Eyes, don't cheat.
Hey, what's going on?
Just come forward a bit. Don't open your eyes. Careful. Don't open your eyes. Careful. Come, don't cheat. There, just...
You're making me so
Relax. Don't cheat.
Okay.
Don't open. Okay. Here we are. So you can open that.
Brian, what's going on? Stop.
I cannot wait any longer. Because I'm so scared someone might snatch you away from me. Vera, please let's take this to another level. Marry me. Please.
Brian. But is this the right way to propose to a woman?
Okay. Yeah. Is this better?
Still not good enough.
Jesus, what do you want? Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Vera.
Yes, Brian.
Please do me the honor of being the mother of my beautiful kids. Yes.
Yes, Fred.
Yes! Yeah! Thank you! Thank you. Thank you. Hey, I am the happiest man on earth right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. Hey, we need to celebrate, okay? And I will help in this. God, I'm so happy.